This video is going to give you a quick review of degree and end behavior. So remember, we can use this little chart to help us, or if you don't prefer the chart, use Desmos to graph the function. So for the chart, I always think of our even degree, they end in the same direction. And I think about how positive people are smiling and negative people are usually frowning. So the end behavior is the same. It's both up or both down to negative infinity. So we have negative infinity and negative infinity. And here we have positive infinity and positive infinity. Our odd degree end in opposite directions. So our positive leading coefficient odd degree functions are going to look like this. So the right side ends up towards positive infinity and the left side ends at negative infinity. And then our negative odd degree functions are that snake shape but backwards. So the left side this time is ending up at positive infinity, and the right side is negative infinity. So this, or using Desmos to visualize it, will help us with these questions at the bottom. So if we look here, I notice both of these ends are down, so it's the same direction, and they're both going down. Well, if I look here, I see the degree is 4, which is even. We're going to do a few examples down here. So these are all separate. I kind of draw lines just to help notify that they're separate. Okay, so this first one that I'm looking at, I see both ends are down and the ends are same. So same is going to have to be an even degree, and if they're both ending down, it's got a negative leading coefficient. So that means that as x goes to positive infinity, y is going to negative infinity because it's down. And then as x is going to negative infinity to the left side, y is also going to negative infinity. So that is my end behavior. If I look at this next example, I see my ends are opposite directions. So it's going to be an odd degree. And we can focus on just looking at the right side here. So right side is up or right side is down. Since this is up, it's going to be a positive leading coefficient. So that tells me that my end behavior as x goes to positive infinity, y is also going to positive infinity. And on this direction, as x is going to negative infinity, y is going to negative infinity. So that's if we have pictures. If we don't have pictures of the graph, again, we could use Desmos. So I could type this into Desmos, this example down here. Or I'm going to look at the degree and the leading coefficient. So my degree is the exponent, which we see is 4, which is even. And I'll grab a different color here. My leading coefficient is positive 4. So it's positive. So even and positive looks like this from my chart up here, even and positive. So I'm going to be ending in positive infinity for both directions. We'll look at one more example here. We'll do 2 more, we have time. So the degree of this one, I look at my exponent is 2, so this is an even degree. And my leading coefficient is negative 1, so it's negative. So even, negative is my frowny face, so sad. So both end behaviors are ending down, the y's are ending down in negative infinity. All right, and then this last example, we see the exponent here is 3. So my degree is odd. And this leading coefficient is positive 1/2, so it's positive. So odd and positive is going to be like this one, the snake, with the right side going up. So the right side is as x is positive infinity, and the left side is where x is negative infinity. So the right side's going up and the left side's going down.